How to completely remove background noise from your video and enhance your voice using a free AI tool. Hey everyone, are you tired of background noise running through your audio recording or voiceover? Or you are looking for a completely free tool to remove background noise and enhance your voice? Well, today I'm going to show you using an amazing tool called Adobe Podcast. Now let's dive into it. Adobe Podcast is a completely free AI tool specifically designed for podcasters, content creators, or anyone who wants a studio quality audio without the hassle of complex editing or making payment to access this tool. You to access this tool in some video editor, that is a tool that helps you remove background noise and enhance your voice. You need to be a pro user, but Adobe Podcast has made this tool available for you to use for free. This tool uses AI to enhance your voice, making it sound as if you recorded it in a professional studio. And the best thing is that it is completely free. Now, how to use Adobe Podcast. The first thing you need to do is to head over to podcast.adobe.com. I will leave the link in this video description. First thing you do when you get to their page is to sign up if you don't have an account with them, and it's quick and free. Once you are logged in, you will see the enhanced page tool right in the home page like this. This is what it would look like. For you to enhance your audio must not be more than 30 minutes long because you are using the free version. That means maximum of 30 minutes. That means each audio you are enhancing must not be more than 30 minutes long. You'll be given a limit of 1 hour daily. That means you have 1 hour daily to enhance your audio, which most content creators don't make use of in a day because 1 hour is quite long. But if you have up to 1 hour, just know that once you are done using 1 hour daily, you have to wait for the next 24 hours for your limit to be renewed. Now, to upload your audio for enhancement, simply go to your audio or music file. Pick the audio you want to enhance. This is what it will look like. Pick the audio you want to enhance and upload it to the page here. Then allow the AI tool to automatically get to work. This tool will process your audio in just few seconds, analyzing the sounds, removing the background noise, and make your voice stand out. Once it's done enhancing, you can listen to your audio and download it to your media. Trust me, it's mind-blowing. The difference is clear. Here's a quick before and after audio enhancement. If you are new to CapCut or still trying to navigate through CapCut video editing app, here are 12 essential tools you need to get yourself familiarized with. You can hear the background noise from the previous video I made. You can hear the background noise, and here is after the enhancement. The background noise is completely gone. If you are new to CapCut or still trying to navigate through CapCut video editing app, here are 12 essential tools you need to get yourself familiarized with. I mean completely gone, and you can hear how clear my voice sounds. Just listen to the difference. I recorded this audio with just my phone. Imagine using a microphone. It will sound more advanced. Pretty amazing, right? Go ahead and try it. Now, here are some few tips for you to follow to get the best result. Before we continue, please take a few seconds to hit on the like button, subscribe to my channel. Please support me so my content will be pushed out there. Also, engage in the comment section, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell so as to get notified whenever I post a new video. Now, here are the tips. The first thing you should consider is to use a decent microphone if you can afford one. But if you can't, if you are new to content creation and you can't afford any microphone, please, just as I'm doing, I'm not making use of a microphone. Please just go ahead and use your phone. Go ahead and use your phone to record your content. You can easily extract your voice from your videos and take it to Adobe Podcast for enhancements. Secondly, record in a quiet environment whenever possible. The lesser noise it has to remove, the cleaner your audio will be. Thirdly, always double check your enhanced audio to ensure it fits the tone of your project. This last one is for those that don't know how to convert their video to audio. If you don't know how to convert your video to audio, please let me know in the comment section so I will make a tutorial video to show you how you can easily convert your video to audio so it will enable you enhance your voice in Adobe Podcast. And that is it with Adobe Podcast. Removing background noise and enhancing your voice has never been easier. Whether you're a podcaster, a YouTuber, or just someone who wants a better audio for their video or presentation, this AI tool is a game changer for you. Go ahead and try it and let me know the outcome in the comment section. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel, share, and don't forget to turn on your notification, and also leave a comment if you have other audio editing tips to share. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye for now.